What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Citi Double Cash credit card. The Citi Double Cash card stands out as a popular choice among cashback credit cards, known for its simplicity and competitive rewards structure. With features like a $200 cashback welcome bonus, 2% cashback on all purchases, and a low introductory APR on balance transfers, this card offers a compelling value proposition for those looking to earn rewards on everyday spending. Now, let's take a deep look into its features. The Citi Double Cash card presents a lucrative $200 cashback welcome bonus for new card holders. To qualify for this bonus, individuals need to spend $1,500 on purchases within the initial 6 months of opening their account. This bonus is credited as 20,000 thank you points, which can be conveniently redeemed for $200 in cashback. This incentive provides a significant boost to the card's value proposition, offering a tangible reward for everyday spending and initial purchases. One of the standout features of the Citi Double Cash card is its generous 2% cashback earning potential. Cardholders have the opportunity to earn 2% cashback on all purchases, 1% when the purchase is made, and an additional 1% as they make payments towards those purchases. This dual cashback structure sets the card apart, ensuring consistent and competitive rewards on all spending categories. The simplicity of this rewards system eliminates the need to track or manage rotating categories, making it an attractive choice for those seeking straightforward cashback benefits. For individuals looking to manage their finances effectively, the Citi Double Cash card offers a low introductory APR on balance transfers. Cardholders can benefit from 0% introductory APR for the first 18 months on balance transfers, providing a window to consolidate high-interest debt and pay it down without incurring additional interest charges. While this feature can be a valuable tool for those seeking to save on interest costs, it's important to note that there is no introductory APR offer on purchases with this card. This introductory period can be a strategic opportunity to optimize debt repayment and financial planning. The Citi Double Cash card is designed with convenience in mind, offering a user-friendly experience for cardholders. With a straightforward rewards program that provides a flat-rate cashback on all purchases, users can enjoy the simplicity of earning rewards without the complexity of tracking or enrolling in bonus categories. The absence of an annual fee further enhances the card's appeal, making it a hassle-free option for individuals looking to earn cashback on their everyday spending. This convenience factor, coupled with the card's easy-to-understand rewards structure, contributes to a seamless and rewarding cardholder experience. While the Citi Double Cash card may not offer an extensive array of purchase and travel protection compared to some other cards, it does provide valuable benefits in terms of protection and security features. Cardholders can access Citi Entertainment for exclusive event tickets and enjoy MasterCard ID theft protection, which offers added security against identity theft. This feature enhances the overall cardholder experience by providing entertainment perks and essential safeguards to protect against potential security threats. By offering these protective measures, the card aims to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience for its users, adding value beyond just cashback rewards. Now, let's talk about some of the potential drawbacks. The Citi Double Cash card charges a 3% foreign transaction fee on purchases made outside of the United States. This can be a significant drawback for those who frequently travel internationally or make purchases from foreign merchants, as the foreign transaction fees can eat into the cashback earned on those purchases. Cardholders who plan to use their card for international spending may want to consider a card that waives foreign transaction fees. Unlike some other cashback credit cards, the Citi Double Cash card does not offer bonus rewards in specific spending categories such as dining, groceries, or gas. The card provides a flat 2% cashback rate on all purchases, which can be beneficial for those with varied spending patterns. However, cardholders who tend to spend heavily on certain categories may be able to earn more rewards with a card that offers bonus categories. The Citi Double Cash card requires cardholders to accumulate a certain amount of cash back before they can redeem it. This can be a drawback for those who prefer more immediate access to their rewards or who have smaller balances. While the redemption threshold may not be a significant issue for heavy spenders, it could be a consideration for those with more modest spending habits. In conclusion, the Citi Double Cash card offers a straightforward and rewarding cashback experience with a $200 welcome bonus, 2% cashback on all purchases, and a low intro APR on balance transfers. While it has some drawbacks, its convenience and simplicity make it a top contender for those seeking a hassle-free cashback credit card. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.